വെളിച്ചം വിതയ്ക്കും പ്രതിഭാസമേ സർഗപ്രതിഭാസമേ പ്രണമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രസാദമരുളേണമേ. അക്ഷരദീപം കൊളുത്തി അത്ഭുതലോകം വിടർത്തി. അക്ഷരദീപം കൊളുത്തി അത്ഭുതലോകം വിടർത്തി. വിശ്വം മുഴുവൻ വീടായി മാറ്റാം. വിശ്വം മുഴുവൻ വീടായി മാറ്റാം. വിജ്ഞാനനിധി തേടുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ, വിജ്ഞാനനിധി തേടുന്നു. പ്രപഞ്ചമാകെ വെളിച്ചം വിതയ്ക്കും പ്രതിഭാസമേ സർഗപ്രതിഭാസമേ പ്രണമിക്കുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ പ്രസാദമരുളേണമേ.
So I have to start which question? 7B we are doing now. 7B second
Yes, ma'am.
second one. Okay, second one we have completed. We have to do second.
Spotlight.
No, it's okay, na? Second, third one we can do. This week we can complete this most probably. I think this week we can complete this. So 18th closing date. So 18th, 17th and 18th we can just go through the logarithm chapter. Just formula only needed. Okay, logarithms. No need of so many questions and all. Just a formula only needed. What is a logarithm? How can we do the problem? That only we need in that logarithm chapter. Law of indices like that we know. So same way law of logarithms also that formula you have to study. Sometimes if you need that means it will be difficult. That's why. So second, third one we can do. Root of 3/5 whole raised to x plus 1 is equal to 125 divided by 27. Done. Second, third one, root of 3/5 the whole raised to x plus 1 is equal to 125 divided by 27. So who can be? Started. Root. Hello? Are you here?
Yes, ma'am, we are here.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Doing no? Okay, okay. Root 3/5 can be written as 3/5 whole raised to 1/2. Then instead of that bracket, square bracket. That is that.
X plus 1.
Whole raised to x plus 1. 5 is here, 3 is here. Oh, think and write 125 and
5/3 whole cube.
5 cube divided by
5 cube by 3
cube.
The next step. A raised to m, the whole raised to n, isn't it?
Yes. 3/5 all raised to 1/2 plus
1/2.
x plus 1.
Okay, do it. 3/5, the whole raised to 1/2 into a raised to m, the whole raised to n is what? A raised to m into n. 1/2 into x plus 1.
Plus 1.
That means what? X plus yesterday we had done that. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. So this we can write it as x plus 1/2, which is equal to 5/3 the whole cube. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Or, okay. This one is better, 5 by 3 whole cube, it will make you confusion, no? So instead of that, one thing you do, don't write it here like this.
5 and
Better
3
write 5 by 3 cube itself, that is better. Okay, then next what we can do, we want to get which one, 1 by 5 by 3, here 3 by 5. How can we change? Three by 5. If we have the same base, then
Same,
only we can write it as
in the power.
Same powers.
In the power.
Don't write. First listen. One way is either you can write 5 cube divided by 3 cube as that itself, and 1 divided by. This can be written as what? Don't write. Which one is convenient? That after that only we will write. This can be written as
Divided by 3 cube by 5 cube.
no. So you can't do like this. Okay. So better wait. 5 by 3 whole cube. So after changing this, what we can write? 5 by 3 the whole cube. This can be written as, that is a raised to n, can be written as 1 by a raised to negative. So this can be written as 1 divided by
Negative 5 by 3.
5 by 3.
whole raised to
3.
Negative 3.
Negative 3.
negative 3. Is it okay? That is left side 3 by 5 the whole dot, right? X plus 1. Up to this you have written, no? Up to this.
1 by
Which one?
2.
Up to
X
this
is
you
1
have
by
written,
2.
no? Up to this completed, no? All of you? This step.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then listen. Okay. Don't
Ma'am,
write.
X is 1 by 2.
Huh?
3 by 5 whole square. X plus 1 by 2.
Plus 1. Okay. X plus 1 byte. Okay, thank you. X plus 1 byte. Okay. Then. Next step. 5 by 3 whole raised to negative 3. How can we write that? 5 by 3. We want to get 3 by 5. Then only we can write the powers we can equate now. So how can we change this? Any idea?
Into
1 divided by 5 by 3 the whole raised to negative 3 we have. So this can be written as 1 divided by okay, 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 3 raised to negative 3. Is it okay? 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 3 raised to negative 3.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
1 divided by means what? 1 divided by 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 3 raised to negative 3 means
1
if you are
Into reciprocal.
reciprocal.
1 into
1 into
1 into
3
1
raised to
into
negative
3
divided by
3
5
to
raised to
negative 3
93 by
by
5
5 raised
5
to
raised to
negative 3.
negative 3.
okay. So this whole thing we can write it as what?
3 raised to negative 3 by 5 raised to negative 3.
That can be written as what?
3 by 5 the whole raised to negative 3.
3 by 5
whole
all
raised to.
raised to negative 3.
So which one we have written like 3 by 5 whole raised to negative 3? The whole thing. 1 divided started from here. No. 1 divided by 5 raised to negative 3 is what? We change this as 3 by 5
3
by
by
5
5 all raised to
all
negative
raised to
3.
negative.
negative 3. Then what about the LHS part? 3 by 5
by
3
5
by
whole
5
raised to
all
x
raised
plus
to x
1
plus 1 by
divided
2.
by 2.
same basis.
Same
So
base.
we can
So
read
same
the
powers.
powers now.
Powers
Yes,
x
ma'am.
plus 1 by
X plus 1.
Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
math.
So if you are writing all these stuff here means it will make you confusion. So what you have to do is up to this completed write down 3 by 5 the whole raised to x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 5 by 3 whole raised to negative 3. Then near the working column write these all steps. take this. 1 divided by 5 by 3 whole raised to negative 3 is 1 divided by 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 3 raised to negative 3. That is 1 division symbol you write. Then 5 raised to negative 3 divided by 3 raised to negative 3 is also
Negative 3. 1 into 3 raised to negative 3 by 5 raised to negative 3 equal to 3 raised to negative 3 by 5 raised to negative 3, which is equal to 3 by 5 all raised to
5 whole
negative
raised to
3.
negative.
okay. So if you want only you direct write this term. Otherwise you can directly write this one. Understood? 1 divided by 5 raised to negative 3 by 3 raised to negative 3 means instead of this by you can directly write into means no problem. You can directly write it. Or otherwise if you have any confusion write this division symbol. So next we can equate. So powers we can equate. So x plus 1 by 2 is
So
equal to
divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. X plus 1
plus 1 is
3
equal
by
to
1. So x plus 1 is equal to
mi-
3 into 2
6
Negative 6.
equal to negative
Negative
1
6
equal to
minus
negative
1.
7.
Negative 7.
27.
is it x plus 1 or x minus 1 whole raised to x plus 1.
X
Negative.
plus
Okay, okay, okay. We had done third question, no? Whole raised to same model. Question number 4. Do it. Question number 4. Start.
that it is
Fourth one. Cube root of 2 by 3. Square root means by 2. Cube root means whole raised
1
to
by 3.
1 by 3.
1 by
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Whole raised to 1 by 3. Aware of this?
And then 4 means what?
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Fourth root of 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 4. Only simple root means what? Root of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 raised to 1 by 2. Then depending upon this value, we will write here. Only
Okay.
root here. Root means only 1 by 2.
And this
Then 100 means what we will write? Raised to 1 by 100.
By 100.
this is same question of third.
Same model question. Right?
2 by 3 all raised to
All raised to 1 by.
Let others also do. Wait. Completed.
X ma'am.
Girls not responding. What about others?
Ma'am, I'm here.
Ma'am, you are here.
Mayuga, Gayatri here.
Ma'am, I am here.
What about
Ma'am, I am
Priyada?
also here, ma'am. Ma'am, I am
Yes,
also
ma'am.
here.
Priyada, are you here? Can you follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Alina Martin, Anaga, Angel Viju, Vishma, and Rose, Via, Faustina,
Ma'am, I am responding.
Delna, Tenin, Jarin here, no? Jarin, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, Dakshada, Tina,
Yes, ma'am.
doing no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Yes ma'am.
So how can we do this? Tell.
2
2
Two
by
by-
Ma'am, 2 by 3 all raised to 1 by 3 all raised to x minus 1, which is equal to 27 by 8.
No, you can change that.
Okay,
No,
3 cube by 2 cube.
Cube.
No need of doing this
2
in the working column. Directly you can write for
s
X
2
minus
2 by 3 all raised to x
raised
minus
to
1
x
by
minus
3,
1 by 3.
which is equal to
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Directly you can write. Okay. Then
which is equal to 3 by 2 whole cube
whole
whole cube.
Here 2 by 3, here 3 by
Yes.
2. So
By 2.
you
We
change
want to change 2 by 3 whole raised to x minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by
1 by
3
3 by 2 the whole
by
raised to
2
negative
all raised to negative 3.
negative 3. 1 divided by means it is negative.
Yes.
3.
Then 1 divided by 3 by
Okay, you are doing
2.
the working column. So 1 divided by 3 by
3 by 2 all raised to negative 3 is equal to
1 by
1 into
2 raised to negative 3.
1 into
2
2
raised to
raised to negative 3 by 3 raised to negative 3.
3
2
divided
by
by
3 whole
2
raised
by
to
3 all
negative.
raised to negative 3.
Instead of this, we can write it as 2 by 3 the whole raised to negative 3.
Negative 3.
These all calculations needed, okay? Don't write simply.
2 by 3 whole raised to x minus 1 divided by 3.
Up to this completed all.
Bases are same.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
X minus 1 by 3 is equal to negative 3.
X minus 1 by 3 is equal to
Minus
negative
1 is
3.
equal to negative 3.
Negative 3
X
divided by
X
minus
minus 1 is
x
equal to
minus 1 is
negative
equal to
9.
negative 9.
negative 9.
Negative 9.
X is
X
equal
is
to
equal
Equal
to
to
negative 9
negative
plus
9
1.
negative
1.
X is equal to
Negative
negative
9
10.
plus 1 is equal to
Negative 8.
negative
Negative
18. 8.
8. Okay. How many
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
wrote negative 7? Just simply copying. How many of you wrote negative 7?
80.
Amil, you wrote negative 7, no?
No, ma'am. I done the first.
Negative. What about Anishma? Negative 7, no? You wrote negative 7. Anishma.
No, ma'am.
And Rose? No. Negative 7 is answer, no? And Rose? Not here. And Rose, are you here?
Ma'am, next which question?
Second question. No, third one. Sold. Second completed. Third one. Sold. First one. 4 raised to x minus 2 minus 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. What about Aniruddha? Aniruddha is here? Aniruddha? No.
Ma'am.
Aniruddha, can you follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How can we write it? 4 raised to x minus 2 minus 2 raised to x plus 1. So how can we change it? Wherever we see that 4, what we can do
2
first?
raised to
2
2.
raised to 2.
First we can change that.
2
2 raised
2 raised to 2 the whole raised to x minus 2.
minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Okay. 2 raised to 2, the whole
Whole raised to x
4.
minus 2.
Whole raised to x
Then why,
minus
ma'am, that one
And
more
that 2 is not
one
needed.
more
No,
2
one
should
more
2
2
raised to 2 whole raised to x minus 2.
all
that is
raised to x minus
2 raised to 2.
All
That 4.
raised
Okay.
all
4
raised to
x
x minus
minus
2
2
x
X
minus
minus
1
2.
minus
2
minus
raised
2x
to x plus 1.
minus 2
is
raised to x
equal to
plus 1 is equal
0.
to 0.
then a raised to m. The whole raised to m.
2 raised to 2x minus
2
4.
raised to
2
2x
raised to
minus 4.
2x minus 2 minus
The
2
minus 4
common. Minus 2 raised
2
to
raised to x plus 1
x plus 1.
to 0.
change the
2
bracket.
raised to 2x
to
plus
2x
minus
minus
4
4
minus 4
minus 2 raised to
minus
x
2
plus
raised to
1.
x plus 1.
A raised to m minus
A raised to m minus a raised to n.
Or you can write it as what? A
And
raised
only
to m
2x
divided
minus 4
is equal to a raised to
A raised
m
to m minus n.
or a raised to m minus n, we can write it as a raised to m into a raised to negative n also we can write, no? Both way we can write, no? Either in division form or in which one? Multiplication form, no? How can we write? This can be written as what? A raised to m plus negative n, that is what? A raised to m minus n, no? Both are
yes,
same.
ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead
Yes,
of
ma'am.
that division, instead of this division, if we split that in multiplication form itself, then we can take common, no? Then it will be easy. That's why. You are saying that 2 raised to 2x divided by 2 raised to 4. You are saying like that way, no? Yes or no? Hmm? You won't write it like this way.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Your step I will follow, don't worry. Which step I want to write here? Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, say a simple step, then there we will follow that.
2 raised to, wait, 2 raised to 2x. Now, a raised to m plus n means what? A raised to m into a raised to n. Same model only, no? 2 are there. So how can we split that? A raised to m into a raised to n form. Into 2 raised to
into 2 raised to negative 4.
Negative
negative 4. Then only if we add
Yes.
this numbers, we will get 2 raised to n. 2x minus 4 you will get no.
Minus
yes, ma'am.
minus 2 raised to
X
2
plus
raised
one.
to x
Into
x
2
2
raised
raised
to
to
1.
x into 2 raised to 1.
Equal to
This
0.
is
But we are doing like this way. If we it will be easy for us to take common, no?
or else we will get confused.
So how can we? 2 raised to
Then common take.
2 raised to here 2 raised
2x
just doing the working order, that is better.
Ma'am, can we cancel like this?
Or better, wait. Or we want to find what? Solve. No, solve means we have to find out the value of x. Either
Yes.
we have to split like this way, or another easy way, how can we? From this we are going to take common,
Ma'am,
then this value.
2 raised to 2x minus 4 equals 2 raised to x
This
plus 1.
negative we can take to the right side. Instead of this complication, we can avoid this type of complication, and we want to find the value of x only. How here means we want to take 2 raised to x common. Then we want to do no need of doing that all things. So instead of this step, any other simple steps.
2 raised to 2x minus
2
4 is
raised to
equal
2x
to
minus
This
4
one
is equal to
negative
2
we can
raised
take to the right side. 2 raised to 2x minus 4 is equal to negative will become positive. 2 raised to x plus 1. So left side, right side, base
base same.
equal
So
means we can
only
Powers
the
will be
power.
same.
therefore
2x minus 4
2x
is equal
minus
to
4 is
Minus
equal
4 is
to
x plus
equal
x
1.
to
plus
x plus
1.
1.
2x
Next we can
minus
Mm.
take
x
the
is
4
equal
there.
to 1
2x
plus
minus
4.
x is equal to 1 plus 4
X is equal to
x
5.
is equal to 5.
2x minus x is
No.
equal to 1 plus 4. X is equal to 5.
this is easy, no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So follow this method. Okay, x is equal to solve only, no? So follow this. X is equal to 5. The next question, same 3x square power x square. Then is 2 ratio. Is 2 means what? We can change it into division. No,
2 dot.
division we can write. No, we can change that.
Yes, ma'am.
So second question. 3 raised to x square is to 3 raised to x is equal to 9 is to 1. So before writing, think what we have to do. Which is the easy way. So many ways we will have, but which is the easy way that we can follow. Okay, 3 raised to x square divided 3 raised to x is equal to
3x is
9 by 1.
3 square. 3 square by 1.
Okay, this we can change, 3 raised to a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to
M minus.
M minus n.
A raised to m minus n.
a raised to m minus n. So 3 raised to
So,
x
3 raised to x square minus x
Minus x is equal
is
to
equal
9.
to
9 by 1 we can write it as 9 itself.
9.
9.
Then next step can be 9 can be written as
3 square.
3 square.
3 square.
Powers we can equate. Therefore, x square minus x is equal to 2. This is a we study dash into dash. Isn't it? Fourth chapter. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So dash into dash should be negative 2, and if we add or subtract, we want to get it as negative 1. 8th standard, study 9th portion.
Yes.
Then splitting the
Yes.
middle.
Yes, ma'am.
Splitting the middle term.
Splitting the
Splitting the middle term. We want to get it as negative 2. Product should be negative 2. Then middle term should be negative 1. Which are
Ma'am,
the
then how that is 0
Negative
come?
2 into 1.
that you, if you are taking this 2 to the left side, it will become negative 2. So nothing is there equal to, nothing means what? 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth chapter. I want to show you that.
I'm not remembering about the 4th chapter.
Then if you have board exam, means what you will do?
Chapter remaining.
Fourth chapter, if you are not remembering, means if you have board exam, how many
And
marks?
there is no board exam answer.
No board exam means this you need for next year. Fourth chapter you study, okay. For 10th you need this. Mark it and study. It is important point. Fourth chapter very important. During vacation you should study.
Okay, ma'am.
Vacation you should study fourth, fifth chapter. That I will give you. Okay. Otherwise you can't
Ma'am,
follow.
negative 2 into 1 is equal to negative 2.
Negative 2 into 1
Negative
is
2
equal to
plus
negative
1.
2 plus 1.
So we can split the middle term. X square. This negative x we can write it as what? Negative 2x plus 1x means x
Plus
itself.
1x. X is minus 2.
2 is equal to 0.
I don't understand it.
First you take chapter 4 last year's. Then only you can understand. First you study that splitting the middle term. One chapter was there.
Ma'am, here negative 2 plus 1 only come. Then why we want to write negative x plus x?
Now you are asking. Anyone can explain these doubts? I can't explain like this way. How many days we took for that?
Ma'am, not remember.
Many days.
Yeah. Then within 1 second or 1 minute time, can I explain this? Splitting the middle term. I am searching that splitting the middle term. Which chapter that? Splitting the middle.
Ma'am, if we do
Exercise
this
5.
problem, next problem, he will understand, ma'am.
So better you do 5B homework. That is better. Hamid. 5B here.
Ma'am, only I understood. I fully understood.
5B you study well.
I understood.
It's a recorded video, isn't it? I will search that. Last year we sent that, no? No. It is
In
recorded.
Zoom only.
No recorded, no.
Ma'am, in Zoom only, ma'am.
In Zoom only.
You have Zoom, no? You have Zoom with you, no?
No.
Why?
No.
Uninstall.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
There's no space.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, do I will understood
Negative
somewhat.
2, study that 5b. Okay, it is very important. 5th chapter, 4th chapter. Negative 2 plus 1. We have to split this x. Negative x means 1x we have to get. And dash into dash should be negative 2. So, splitting the middle term x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this, how can we write?
X into x minus 2.
X into x minus 2. Then same factorization. Same x minus 2 if we write equal to 0. Then what we will do?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Hamil. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
So x minus 2 is equal to x plus 1.
X minus 2 into x plus 1.
So what we will either x minus
Minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Plus 1 is equal to 0.
x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2 or x is equal to
Equal
negative
to
1.
negative 1.
Understood? Then,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
so study the chapter 4th and 5th chapter very important. The next
Okay, ma'am.
during vacation study that properly. April, May vacation, no. At that time you should study that. Otherwise you won't get anything. Next year, quadratic equations. 2 chapters are there with this. Either you can use a formula or one formula is there for finding this. Formula method and also which one? This splitting the middle term. So both are important. Next 2 chapters, quadratic equations. If you have text with you, 10th text with you, So in that check chapter 5, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Same. Alright, then show you. Quadratic equations chapters 5 and chapter 6. So it's this. Okay. 10th text. Can you see this?
Yes,
Using
ma'am.
formula.
X square minus
Yes, ma'am.
Using this for 5D is using formula. Then next factorization method. That's why we taught you, Can you
x
see this?
square minus
ma'am.
10x
Square
minus
minus 10x.
24 equal to 0. 2x square minus 1 by 2x.
Using heading is what? Heading is what? Heading is what? Using
Solve equation number 1 to number 20 given below using factorization method.
using factorization. Using factorization means what? This is your
10th.
so you are not studying that means what? So study well that this factorization. Otherwise, 2 chapters, very easy chapters, you will not get anything because of your carelessness. Oh, this only I said. So April, May vacation, study that 2 chapters, chapter 4 and
When is the
factorization.
vacation coming, ma'am? August 18 or 19.
What?
Vacation coming.
18th you will have class. 19th onwards you won't have.
Now, how many days?
That we will get
10
information.
days.
I can't say anything, no. From the school only we will get the
What
information. I
20
can't say
days
anything about that.
ma'am?
You will get the circular, don't worry. Next question number 4.
My question number 3.
Are you sleeping?
Four.
Sleeping, no? Sleeping.
No, ma'am.
How are you sitting? Your bed.
No, ma'am.
8 into 2 raised to 2x plus 4 into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to x. So can we do this?
2 cube into 2 raised to 2x.
2 cube into 2 raised to 2x plus 2 raised to 2
2
into 2
square
raised to x plus 1
into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to x.
is equal to 1 plus 2 raised to
Then
A raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m plus n.
okay, you are writing that. Okay, so 2 raised
Ma'am,
to
another method is there.
wait, we can do no. Your method I will follow. Don't worry. Which one is convenient that I will do. 2
2
raised
raised
to
to
yeah.
2x plus 3
2
plus
raised to
2 raised to 2 plus x
x
plus
plus
1
1.
equal to 1 plus 2 raised to x.
Our own book no. So why you are bothering about these all things? If not getting, we will cut it and do it again. Easy method. Which one is easy that we will follow. Okay. 2 raised to 2x plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to x plus 3.
Equal to 2 raised to x plus 3.
1 plus 2 raised to x. Then
Yes,
what we can do? Can we do anything with this?
we are done.
We have
2
stuck.
a raised to m plus a
A
raised to n.
A raised to m plus a raised to n.
A raised to m plus a raised to.
We didn't study that formula. A raised to m plus a raised to n. We didn't study.
And we can do what is it for
x plus 3 plus x plus 3.
X plus, tell me. Without, if we are doing this addition and all, we will stuck here, no? So some adjustment we have. Now you understood, no? You can't do like this way. So some adjustment needed. Plus in
We want.
between we have plus, no, in between we have plus. So we had to form which one? A quadratic equation. Then only it will be easy. Splitting the middle term we will get. In between, plus means, suppose x square plus 2x plus in between plus means what we will
Ma'am,
do?
we want to bring 2x into LHS side.
We want to
Bring 2x right hand side and 2x into LHS.
why you are taking only 2x? You can take that one also, no?
1 also.
All the things we can take to the right side. Okay. So 2 cube into 2 raised to 2x plus, don't write, 2 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is minus 1 minus 2 raised to x is equal to 0. Okay. Right hand side. The next what we have? Anything we can take common or 2 square is there. So how can we make this as square? Square form can be, this can be written as, here square is there. So can we do anything? Any idea? Little bit of complication, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything we can take common from there. Can we write 2 cube into 2 raised to x? We can write it as 2 raised to x the whole square. No problem. No? Plus, same way, how can we?
plus 2 raised to square plus into
2 square into 2 raised to 2 raised to x all raised to 1.
2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to x
To x
2 raised
2
to
raised to 1
1
minus
2 raised to x
2
is
raised
equal
to x is equal to 0.
Then this
Then why
term,
we are expanding the sentence?
which one?
This
If we add means we didn't get that answer, no. Once we had done that method, so we didn't get that. We stuck with that answer. So we are using another method. X plus 1 we split as x raised to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1, or otherwise you say another method. If you don't
No,
want
no,
to-
no. This method, we
No.
can check
You
it.
can say it.
It's
You can
coming
say-
or not.
Here
We
2
can-
raised to x is there. 2 raised to x. So how can we take anything from this 2 raised to x? We can take common, no?
Yes, ma'am.
From where we can take? From which 2 we can take? If we are rearranging this. Plus 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to
Ma'am,
x into 2. This minus 2 raised to x we will write and minus 1, changing the place. Instead of negative 1 minus 2 raised to x, I wrote what? Negative 2 raised to x minus 1, just simply changing the place only. Okay?
Ma'am, didn't put the into.
Okay, into. Okay, I will write into. Okay, into.
Ma'am, up also up.
Then from here, which part we can take common? 2 cube into 2 raised to x, the whole square is there. 2 cube into 2 raised to x, the whole square. From here, we have 2 raised to x here. So from this also we can take 2 raised to x common, then remaining what will be?
2 is to 2.
Or
2
we can
raised-
add, instead of this, we can add it. Here 2 raised to 1. No, here itself we can add. 2 raised to 2 plus 1 is what? 2 raised to 3, no? 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1.
Okay, ma'am.
A raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n into 2 raised to x. Minus 1 minus 2 raised to x is equal to 0. Up to this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we want to take 2 raised to x common. So we have to rearrange this. Take this 2 raised to x near to this 2 raised to x. So how can we change the place? 2 raised to 3
2 raised to
into
2 raised to x minus 2 raised to x
minus 1.
minus 1.
Up to this understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't
Yes,
write
ma'am.
first, listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't write first, listen. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to x the
2
whole
raised-
square plus here 2 raised to x is there. So same way 2 raised to x can we take common, no? Can we take 2 raised to x common means from this remaining it will be 2 raised to 3 minus we took 2 raised to x. So that means there will be
1.
1.
minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes.
So I will rub this question. Up to where you wrote? First is okay. Then what about second? Second line okay.
Second line.
Okay, second line also okay. So 2 raised to, so what we can do? No need of changing this 2 raised to cube. You know, simply we can write from here itself. We can write, no need of changing this 8 as 8 itself. No need of changing that. No use in changing that. The any use. Next, 8 2 raised to x the whole square plus 2 raised to x into 2 cube minus 1 is what? 2 cube minus 1 is 8 minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1. Hello?
7.
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 2x
8 into 2x
plus 2 raised to x
plus 2 raised to
7
x
minus
into 7 minus 1 is equal to 0. 8
we put 2 raised to x is equal to some y. We can form this as a quadratic equation. How can we? Put 2 raised to x is equal to
Square.
8.
8y the whole square.
8y 8y square
8, no square for that 8. Okay, only 2 raised to x, we put it as y. So y square plus
8y square
Y
plus
into
y into
7y
is equal to 0. That is what? 8y square plus 7y minus 1 is
Minus
equal to
1.
0. It is a quadratic equation in y. Then splitting the middle term. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So up to this you wrote, no? But don't write this 8.
Up to 8
don't change
into
that to
2x all raised to 2 plus 2 cube into 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0.
this step.
No, ma'am.
Okay. This one okay. Up to that.
No, ma'am. 1 minute.
Ma'am, we can think that 7 minus 1 is equal to 6.
7. Where.
Ma'am, 8y square plus y.
2x into 7 minus 1.
Ma'am, I'm round now.
2x to x.
Ma'am, down.
2
Ma'am.
minus 1.
First third line. 1, 2, 3.
This one.
No, up.
First, 8y square plus y into 7 minus
8y square plus y into
7
7
minus
minus
1.
1.
But we can't do that because BODMAS rule. 7 minus 1.
Wait, I will say. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, fourth one, fifth one. Communication gap, no. It is in the class, means no problem. No, I can come here.
Then 8 one. That one.
Ma'am,
8.
8 1.
8, okay. 8 y square
Plus
Plus
y.
y into 7
7
minus
6,
1.
we can write that.
Man, we can't write that because BODMAS rule.
Oh, so what you are saying, what we can write?
7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Y into 6.
No, ma'am, BODMAS rule.
Board mass rule means
Multiplication.
Ma'am, but
multiplication
suddenly
after only subtraction will become.
BODMAS, board mass, multiplication.
addition, subtraction,
Addition,
bracket
then
off.
subtraction.
Then 7y.
7y is what? 7y.
Okay, ma'am.
Board mass rule means what? Multiplication only first, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So up to where you wrote? 1, 2, 3, 4. I wrote the numbers.
Up to 5.
No,
No,
ma'am,
completed.
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 No, ma'am.
Okay. I will read it. So 8. No need of changing that 8. You can write as 8 itself. Otherwise, no use. At last, if you are changing, no problem. At last, you have to change it again. We have done like that way. No, we changed that as 2 cube.
Yes.
And after that, we understood that we don't want to change it. So we again rearrange it as 8 itself. So last we got it as 8y square
8y square plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0.
Dash into dash should be what? Havel. Can I
Yes,
write
ma'am. In the middle term.
splitting the middle term, what will be? After completing, you can leave. Okay, now time. 8y square plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 8 is the coefficient of y square is 8. So that also you have to multiply. So dash into dash should be. Hello. Should be what? Not 1.
7.
-1.
No.
7y.
Dash into dash.
Ma'am, dash into dash.
1.
Dash into
One.
dash is
2.
So last year I took a lot of things. It is waste.
Ma'am, 8.
Negative 1 into 8. Negative
-8.
8. I will check.
negative 8.
Is there
Ma'am,
any
that's
link in that?
ma'am, that's very confusion, ma'am.
Then
We want to finish.
Confusion means you should study that. Last year simply sitting only, no, without saying anything.
Ma'am, I said all. Now for
the problem only, ma'am. Then what? Dash into dash is equal to what? Negative 8. 8 you
8
should
into -1 is equal to -8.
Negative
8
8.
into
into
negative
-1.
Then we will term. If we add or subtract, we want to get it as positive.
8 plus -7.
Ma'am,
So it will be 7. 8 into -1 is -8.
8
So
into
8 plus
-1.
-7.
8 minus 1 is equal to 7.
8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Let me check if I have class means our online class, no?
Ma'am,
Last year, if I
ma'am,
have means I
that's
will send as a
not
YouTube link.
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
So that dash into dash, what answer we got, that only we want to understand.
Okay, that class, if I have means I will send as a YouTube link in our group. Okay, within 1 or 2
Okay,
days.
ma'am.
Most probably I will ask. I will check today in Zoom. Sometimes it will be there in Zoom.
Ma'am, it is there in Zoom.
It is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you tell me the date so I can change that. No, tell me the date if possible means Gautam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Last year which date means that only I can make it as a link and okay.
Ma'am, please do this study.
8y square
8y square
8 plus
plus 8y.
plus
8y
plus 8y minus y minus 1.
Then from this we can take 8 and y common.
8y common.
Then y plus
Ma'am, one more doubt.
ah.
From where the 8y come?
Here is what 7y, we can write it as what dash into dash dash. For that only we are writing this now. We are splitting the middle term.
7 means 8.
8 minus 1. So
8
8y where come?
7y. The 8 apples minus 1 apple is what?
7.
7 what? Or simply 7 only?
Oh, 7 apples. Sorry.
That's right. 7,
Okay,
8y minus y only you will get. Simply writing 8 minus y means you won't get 7y. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then same y plus 1 we
Y
want to
plus
write here.
1.
y
Negative
plus
1
1.
into
That way we have to write.
negative 1
Negative 1.
into y
Negative
plus.
one. So y plus 1
y
common.
plus
So y plus 1 into
y
8y
plus
minus 1 is equal
8y
to
minus 1
0.
is equal to
Y
0.
plus 1 is equal to
Either
0 or
8 plus 1 is equal to 0 or 8y
Y
minus 1
y
is
plus
equal
1
to
is equal
0.
to negative 1 or y 8y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 8.
So we had to replace that. We assumed 8 as 2 raised to x as y no. So what we can write? So in that
So,
case,
2x equal to 1.
2x is equal to negative 1.
So y we can replace it as 2 raised to x. That is 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1.
Negative 1.
Then next case what?
2 raised to x is equal
2
to
raised to x
1
is
by
equal
8.
by 8.
2 raised to x
1
is
by
equal to 1
1
by
by
8.
8.
That we can write in another way also. Either we can write like this way or 8 means we have a tendency to change it into 2 raised to, no? So how can we change?
2 cubes.
2 raised to 1 value we got 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1 or 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 2 raised to
1
3.
by 2 cube.
That is 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1 or 2 raised to x is equal to what? 2 raised to 3 we can write it as negative 3, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
A
here it is not possible. We can't write anything. Here it is not possible. So 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1
Or 2 raised to x is equal to
2 raised to
negative
negative
3.
that means we can equate that this x is equal to negative 3 value. We want to find the value of x only, no? So 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1. From here we can't find the value. Is not possible.
Or
Is not possible. We can't find
So
the
x
value.
is equal to
x is equal
negative
to
3.
2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3.
Negative
3.
3.
From this, we can't find the value of x. No, 2 raised to x is equal to negative 1 means we can't find the value of x.
Ma'am.
From this, can we find? No.
No.
2 raised to x is equal to negative 1 is not possible. So, next we have to take which one? 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to negative.
equal to the same number, so only power x is equal to negative.
Base is here
We
negative
leave
1.
another class starts.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can.
Thank you, ma'am.
I have to complete this. No, that's
Thank
why.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
That's
Thank you,
why.
ma'am.
Factorization lesson is from November 2020.
November
25.
Start from November 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Factorization class. Okay. November 25, factorization. Okay. So second exercise will be after 1 week. No. Okay, thank you all of you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. If possible, I will send a link, okay, of that last year's class. Factorization, B exercise.